I have a tree limb in the way of my driveway. Is it okay to cut the limb back in the fall? What do you think
Well,
about that?
my answer would be if it's in the way, I'd cut it off. Now, if you're
okay.
going to do lots of heavy pruning and a lot of limbs, it'd be best to wait till late winter, early spring. But if you've got a few limbs that need to be taken off, I'd go for it.
Okay, Mr. D?
I agree, totally. If it's in the way in the fall, I'd cut it. If it's in the way in the summer, I'd cut it. If it's in the
That's
way in the
right.
spring, I'd
Yeah.
cut it. Any limb that's in the way, when I'm mowing, you know, if I get slapped in the face, I'm going to cut
yeah.
that limb off. And even the commercial guys, I was talking with Lee Wood and Henry Jones the other day, they're pruning their fruit trees now. They know that this is not the
right time, right.
or the best time to prune their fruit
Right.
trees. But if you've got to do it, and you've
Yeah.
got that many acres of fruit trees, I mean, if they wait until March the 15th to start pruning, they won't finish until August. And, so, I mean, you do what you got to do, and the plants have a way of compensating.
I agree.
And they're pretty tough.
Okay. Want to make sure he cuts it back correctly also, though.
Yes.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.